Hey, J-Mart here, and I'm going to show you how I transform the unsightly tangle of wires from your Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights into a seamless and polished display with these clever tricks. Concealing wires has never been easier.
Real quick, these are the wire covers that we bought. Like I said, I really like this particular. I tried a few different ones. These ones have the double-sided sticky tape on it, and it's really sticky. I 3D printed these. So they do have these on printables if you have printables.com if you have a 3D printer. But you can also buy them on Etsy if you don't have a 3D printer. And these will definitely work really good because they're designed for the Govee Permanent Outdoor Lights. And it's going to secure these and give me the ability to really make sure those individual pucks are secured. So you can see how well this is going to turn out. I'm really excited. By the time I'm done with this, it really should look like a professional installed permanent outdoor lighting for a fraction of the price. That's what I love about it. I'll put links in the description. Check those out. I'll have these in there. I'll throw a link for Etsy, some people that are 3D printing these as well, so that you guys have access to that.
All right, guys, follow me outside as I show you how simple it is to apply these wire covers and these 3D printed mounts that secure the light pucks to the eaves of my house.
So you can see this one right here is dangling. Definitely want to secure. I have the Govee tag there, and on like that, and then so now I'll be able to get 2 screws or even 1 screw will make it way more secure, and put that on. And then the other part I wanted to show was these things right here. I want to show you how easy this is. I know that some people recommended doing caulking and different things like that to make it look flush, but see how I just folded that right out, and that's how it was before. You literally can just tuck this under the wire and then pop it back in, line it up. So sorry, I'm doing this with one hand because I got the camera, but you can see even me doing it with one hand, it's pretty easy, especially if I had both of them. So that will go on just like that. Really easy solution. And then, like you can see, I did that already for all those, and it's gonna look very professional once I'm done with this. And then the cover right here, and then if you have any extra wires and splicing that you can do, you can actually tuck that into the tray itself and then put the cover back on, and then it conceals everything. I really love this idea, guys. So check this out.
Hey, I hope you like this solution as much as I did. I think it turned out great. Gives that professional look. Got rid of all those ugly wires, and I think it turned out amazing. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. It just helps me promote stuff like this on my channel, and really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching this. Thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one.